in the businesses at the time of the robberies, but that they helped plan the locations to hit. Ford and Smith face aiding and abetting charges. If there's a payout from the more than 200 lawsuits pending against egg company Syngenta, could Nebraska farmers get a cut? NTV's Megan Johnson talked with one attorney who says yes.
A lot of firms are reaching out to producers all over the country as the case against Syngenta moves forward in federal court, leaving landowners and growers with lots of questions.
Omaha attorney Dave Domina says there's interest from Nebraska farmers about what pending lawsuits against Syngenta means for them.
We've had these meetings from Cedar County in the northeast corner of the state to Cambridge in the southwest. And we'll have some more of them because we keep getting asked to do more of them.
Domina is talking with farmers and landowners like Julie Bringleson about the suits trade companies like Cargill and now producers are bringing against Syngenta after a genetic trait in seeds the company sold caused China to ban U.S. corn imports for more than a year.
I just figured there's something I need to learn about this. I didn't think it was a problem for me because I didn't think we planted Syngenta.
Domina says this is an injury to the market case, so a farmer didn't have to plant the certain Syngenta trait to have a claim because it's less about why China rejected the corn and more the fact that they did.
They don't complain about GMO corn and they don't say Syngenta's products are bad. It's all about whether a particular corn trait adversely affected the U.S. export market to China and therefore diminished the price.
Syngenta says the suits are without merit, that the trait with extra resistance to certain pests known as Viptera or MIR 162 was okayed for growth in the U.S. back in 2010.
Strict liability.
Domina says number 2 yellow corn grown between 2011 and 2014 makes Nebraska farmers eligible, but depending on how the suits are classified, time may be running out for claims on 2011 crops.
A class action stops the statute of limitations, but right now these are mass actions. There's a pretty good chance they'll continue that way, and that requires that a producer do something pretty quickly here to protect himself.
Domina says the suits are moving forward regardless of how many farmers get involved, so it's really up to each producer if they want to try to get in on any recovery money if they are successful.
Megan Johnson reporting. Thanks, Megan.